Hey guys, when I'm out in the field, a lot of times if I'm trying to drill a precise hole to put a bolt through or something, I use a drill gauge, and it's just a gauge with all the holes through it, and you just line up the bolt or whatever you're trying to figure out, and it determines your size drill bit, and then you go find the appropriate drill bit. Absent that, I would probably use a pair of calipers or something. The old school method was to just line up the drill bit with the threads, and if you can just barely see the threads past the drill, then you know that works out. But when you're drilling through metal, it's got to be exact size hole. So I was out in the field the other day. I didn't have calipers. I didn't have my gauge. So I used a crescent wrench. And basically, you just chuck this onto the bolt that you're trying to figure out the drill bit size, and then go find the appropriate drill bit that fits. And then you've got yourself a field calipers, basically. Just use a crescent wrench. Hope this helps, guys. Have a great day.